Committed to Health has evolved, so has NRPA's commitment to supporting parks and recreation as community wellness hubs. NRPA, with support from the Walmart Foundation, has had the opportunity through the Increasing Access to Healthy Foods grant to work with local partners like Martina with Berea Kids Eat.
Berea Kids Eat is a program that started about 3 years ago because we have about 30% of our children are at the reduced poverty rate here in our community, and about 80% actually participate in the free school lunch program. Part of what we utilized the grant funding for was creating a junior farmers market. And our idea was kids are more likely to eat the food if they grow the food. So what the kids do is they might be growing gardens in their backyards, or they might be part of a community garden, or maybe they're making Christmas cards, all kinds of different handcrafted items.
This opportunity is allowing community members of all ages to come together, learn about their local agriculture, and learn how they can incorporate fresh, healthy foods into their lifestyles.
It's important because it just kind of helps bring the community together, and all the small businesses, it gets them more introduced and more familiarized with the environment and with people.
Through this grant, we were able to connect partners who now have partnerships independent of us, which is the goal that we ultimately had that we're really excited about. So our park system and our farmers market now have their own unique relationship.
Folks come in here and they say, I didn't know I could find this here. And they talk to a farmer and say, you're 5 miles out of town? I never heard of you. The farmer says, you heard of me now.
We built a junior market cart also so that any child that doesn't have access to tables or canopies, that's not going to be a barrier for them to be able to sell at the market. We wanted to make it as inclusive as we could.
What a better way to get kids involved than being creative. They're making crafts, they're selling lemonade, they're learning to be entrepreneurs.
This program is new this year, that I'm pleased by what I see so far. I mean, they can't help but learn to appreciate nature and appreciate where their food's come from.
Many farmers markets accept SNAP and WIC benefits, which allows community members to all come and enjoy the local produce available to them.
One of the main ones is the Kentucky Double Dollars program, which offers our customers who use EBT or they have WIC farmers market vouchers, and we can double the amount that they spend with us.
And so by working together in people's backyards and then also in community garden settings, we're able to get kids from an early age learning how they can make a difference right where they live.
By my estimate, Berea, which is not a big town, uses 80,000 pounds of food a day to feed itself. And if we could grow even 20% of what we eat, that's money that stays here, pays local people, gets spent on local businesses. So it can be an economic driver for a local economy.
Inviting farmers markets and CSA programs into local park and recreation agencies is the perfect opportunity for agency staff and community members to start to have the conversations that will really solidify parks and recreation as community wellness hubs.
These children are our future farmers, our future chefs, our future culinary experts, our backyard gardeners, our teachers, and we want them to feel inspired to do this work when they get older too.